Very much a Microsoft shop, C#, Visual Studio, SQL Server. But I have an iPad, and I wanted to write games for the iPad because I love the iPad and I love games. So I bought a Mac, like you do, and installed MonoDevelop, and I got into Monogame, which which is fantastic. So I don't, if you don't know much about it, then there's some Monogame people here, but basically it's one of these write once, works everywhere. You just develop it once, all in C#, work on iOS, on Android, Windows Phone, etc. What I did was I wrote a kind of proof of concept paint app, which is this one here with no icon. And up it loads. It's got a mono-touch front end, and you can just scroll through all these fantastic pictures I've done. And you can. So this is just a mono touch bit. But if I do a new picture, it's now into Monogame, and you have your color pickers here. You can pick a color, choose your brush size, start drawing, undo it, redo it. As you can see, it's absolutely fantastic. And you can draw fantastic pictures, or not, as the case may be.
Is that you did drawing the video?
Yes. So I've got on YouTube. If you search for me, you probably find it. A video that I did of me drawing a picture. It took about an hour to draw, and it's all condensed down to runs about a minute, I think, of a Monet picture. But this is not on the App Store yet, but I'm hoping within the next month or so it should be ready to submit, and fingers crossed it might get authorised. The only things I've got left to do really are the playback. So that's saved now, and if I hit playback on one of these, it will redraws all your strokes that you did and just redoes the whole picture. So I need to do a bit of work on this for pausing it, speeding it up, and that sort of thing. But that is very close to being done. So yeah, I think Monogame is great. I recommend if you're into games that you use that to do your game development. So my next thing, once I've done this, is to move on to a game. I love 2D platform games, and that's what I want to get into next. So that's me.